In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register a domain with Hostinger. Whether you're starting a new website or expanding your online portfolio, securing the perfect domain name is a crucial first step, and I'm here to guide you through the process effortlessly. First, we'll start by logging into your Hostinger account. Head over to the Hostinger website and you'll see the Sign In option prominently displayed. Click there to enter your login credentials. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll land on your user-friendly hPanel dashboard, a central hub where you can manage all your domains and hosting services. Now that you're in the dashboard, our next move is to search for your desired domain name. Locate the Domain Checker tool within the hPanel. This is your go-to resource for determining domain name availability. Type the name you have in mind into the search bar and click Search. This quick search will reveal whether your perfect domain is up for grabs or if you might need to consider alternatives. Assuming your dream domain is available, you'll want to add it to your cart to secure it quickly. Just click on the Add to Cart button next to your domain name. Additionally, Hostinger often suggests alternative names and domain extensions, which might suit your needs if your first choice isn't available. So, feel free to explore those options as well. Once you've added your desired domain to the cart, it's time to choose your registration duration and any extras you might want. Typically, you can choose to register your domain for 1, 2, or even 3 years. One handy feature Hostinger usually includes is WOA's privacy protection, which can shield your personal information for that added layer of security, depending on the domain extension you choose. With these choices made, proceed to the checkout. Here, you'll need to enter your billing details. Hostinger lets you pay using a variety of methods, such as credit or debit cards, PayPal, and more, making it convenient to finalize your purchase swiftly. After completing the payment, the next step is to return to the hPanel dashboard. Click on Domains and locate your newly purchased domain. You might see the option Setup or Finish Registration highlighted there. Click it and confirm or fill in any required contact information. This step complies with ICANN regulations and ensures that your domain registration status is officially sealed. A crucial part of domain registration is verifying your ownership. You'll receive an email to confirm your contact details just after this. Open the email and click on the verification link. Remember, you have 15 days to complete this step, so ensure it doesn't get overlooked to prevent potential suspension of your domain. Finally, patience comes into play. After all the steps, your domain should become active in a matter of hours. However, full DNS propagation might take 24 to 48 hours, so just sit back, relax, and soon your domain will be ready for action, marking the official online presence of your project. That's it for today's guide. Thanks for tuning in, and happy domain hunting.